Hey YouTube, it's Chris Church here. I've been making some videos with Christian family. One of the videos we made was 923. Oh jeez, I'm almost out of battery. Oh no, let's get the recorder. Oh, never mind. I got the charger right here. I got the charger. It's okay. It's okay. Right now my brother's just annoying me for playing games. I'm just watching a hockey game. I'll get back to you on the comment question today in a couple seconds. Right now I'm talking about me and Christian posted up, we're going to post some videos later, and, oh, just my hair. So, guys, just comment, stay tuned, stay cool, and here's a comment question today. What's your favorite hockey team? Okay, cool, guys. I'll see you later. This is just a quick vlog. I'll see you guys later. My bad. Okay, now I'll see you guys later.